Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Many of you have asked me to show many recipes using millets. So today we will see how to make one millet batter, and with that we can make a number of recipes. Today I am using little millet, also known as Sama in Hindi or Samai in Tamil. Today I am taking little millet. Little millet is also known as Sama in Hindi or Samai in Tamil. You take any measure. I am taking this measure and use the same measure for all. So 3 measures of this little millet. See, if you look at it closely, the grains are very small and it is a brownish color because this is unpolished millet. It is always better to use unpolished millet. The polished one will be bright white in color, that is not so healthy. So 3 cups of this little millet. Using the same cup, measure out 1 cup of idli rice. This is the idli rice. Again with the same cup, measure out 1 cup of urad dal. Also I am adding a teaspoon of methi seeds. You can add it to the urad dal. So with this cup we have measured 3 cups of little millet, 1 cup of idli rice, 1 cup of urad dal and 1 teaspoon of methi seeds. Now we will wash all these and bring it back. Wash the millet 2 or 3 times till the water runs clear. See, wash the millet very well like this and drain out the water. So again you fill water, wash it and drain out. Wash it 2 or 3 times. See, we have washed it thoroughly 2 or 3 times and now again filled it with clear water to allow it to soak. Similarly, we will wash the rice and the urad dal also and bring it back. Now we will soak all these together for 4 to 5 hours. It is 5 hours. Now we are ready to grind the batter. First we will grind the urad dal. Drain out this water. For grinding the dal, use the same water which was used in soaking it. Add water a little at a time till it is nice and fluffy. Just drop a blob of batter. It should float like this in the water. That means your urad dal batter is done and ready. Now we can remove it and keep. Our urad dal batter is ground and ready. Next we will grind the millet and the rice together. Our millet and rice have also been ground, but it was slightly coarse paste like this. Now we can remove this and add it to the urad dal batter. Now I am adding some salt to this batter and mix it well with your clean hands like this. This aids in fermentation. Cover it and keep it aside overnight to ferment. Tomorrow morning we can come back and make the idli and dosa. We had kept the batter to ferment overnight. See, it has fermented very well. Can you see that? So first we will make millet idli. Just mix it lightly. I have greased my idli mold. Also we have water boiling here ready for the idli. Now we'll steam this. The idlis are done. I'll just allow it to cool. See, our steaming hot millet idlis are done. I made one more batch so I can show that to you. Lovely spongy idlis. Now don't worry if the color is slightly brownish. That is because we have used unpolished millet. Unpolished millet is very good for health. The polished millet will be pure white but not so good for health. So light brownish color is fine. Next we will make paniyaram or appe using the same idli batter. So I have taken out a portion of the idli batter here. We will make a seasoning for this. Just heat a teaspoon of oil, add some mustard seeds and urad dal, a little bit of chana dal, one green chilli chopped. Pour this seasoning into the idli batter. Now we will just add a little bit oil into the appe molds. You can even add some chopped onions or grated carrot, whatever you like. I am just making it the plain one today to show you. Just fill it till about halfway up the mold. When it is done on one side, gently turn it over. Just again pour a little bit of oil on top. Wait till this underside is also done well. See, now the paniyarams are all done very well. Paniyaram or appe, whichever way you want to call. Lovely crispy appes, millet appes made with little millet. You can remove them. Next, using the same batter, we will make a dosa. For dosa, you have to just add a little more water to the batter and make it dilute. That's why you keep the batter thick for the idli and the paniyaram. For dosa, you take out batter separately, add a little water and bring it to the right consistency. Pour out a ladle of batter as you would for a regular dosa and spread it out nicely like this. Add some oil all around the dosa. It comes out very easily. So gently lift it up and flip it over. Another few drops, half a teaspoon all around. When the underside is also done, we can easily remove the dosa like this. Just make one more and show you. The dosas come out very easily. Lovely crispy millet dosa. Next, I am using the same steamer plate to make it like a tatte idli. So I have just poured out some idli batter into this. We will steam this for about 8 minutes. Let's check if it is done. See, it is not sticking. Just sprinkle some water and allow it to cool for 1 or 2 minutes, then we can remove it. Dip a spoon in water whenever you remove any type of idlis and just gently remove it from the side. Here I have mixed some idli molaga padi along with some oil. Preferably use till oil, it adds a good taste, and we can spread it on top of this. So using one millet, that is little millet, we made a batter, and we have made 4 different recipes with it. We have made idli, dosa, paniyaram and podi tatte idli. The recipe for this molaga podi I have already published earlier on my channel. I will give you the link in the description box, and we have some chutney and sambar also to go with it. Perfect combination. We have podi, chutney and sambar. South Indian millet breakfast spread. Some of you may have a few questions. The first question, you might ask me, Geeta, why did you add idli rice along with the millet? Yes, you can do it without idli rice, with millet alone also. In that case, you make millet as 4 and urad dal as 1. The 4:1 proportion you can follow. I have added idli rice for 2 reasons. One is I feel the texture and taste is slightly better when we add the idli rice to it. Secondly, millets being new for most of us, it is a good idea to introduce it slowly into our diets. So instead of having fully millet, you add some millet and a little bit of rice and see how your system accepts it. And don't take too many millets every day of the week. Take twice a week or something, slowly till your system gets adjusted to it. And whether you have to use only little millet, no, you can use any of the 5 positive millets and try it with those also. So definitely try out this millet breakfast batter and enjoy the recipes and pave your way to good health. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Geeta's Kitchen, and we'll meet again with another interesting video from Geeta's Kitchen. Thank you.